Alright, go for it.
Okay. So, this is the first car that I had. It's called the Quarter Midget, and I won my first championship in this. And this one's called the Tiger Sprint. It's a little bigger and a little more powerful. And I won my second and third championships in here. And then this is the Junior Sportsman, and I ran that from when I was 8 to when I was 11. And I came second in the points in this. And then this is my horse on the car. It's a VW Golf, and this is the car that I rolled recently. And this is my champ cart that I haven't run yet, but we're planning on driving it in the fall.